Hey, I'm Rick, a personal trainer with Summer Sky. On my last video, I covered BMR, basal metabolic rate, how many calories we need to take in a day. I covered the females formula last time. I was going to cover the males real quick. There is math involved on how many calories we need to take in, so it's not too bad though. So here's the males formula for BMR. Take 66 plus 6.23 times our weight in pounds plus 12.7 times our height in inches minus 6.8 times our age. So, it might have been a while since you done math. Easiest way I find to do it, find out your weight, multiply by 6.23, put that answer there. Find out your height in inches, multiply by 12.7, put your answer there, and then how old you are, multiply by 6.8, and then put your answer there. Then all you have to do is add 66 plus that, minus that, and you'll come up with a big number here. So that number only represents if we didn't do anything all day long. We just laid in bed and breathed, actually. So we have to multiply this number right here by how active we are throughout the day to find out how many calories we really need. The first number is 1.2. That's if we didn't really exercise at all, and we had a pretty cush job, office job, not a whole lot of walking around or lifting stuff. Our next one would be 1.375. That's if we worked out 1 to 3 days a week. Then 1.55 if we worked out 3 to 5 days a week. And 1.75 if we worked out 6 to 7 days a week. And 1.9 if we had a hard job, say digging ditches, pouring concrete or something like that, and we still went to the gym afterwards. So that's pretty extreme. We'd multiply this number by 1.9. We'd find out how many calories we would need to take in a day. Remember, that number just says, hey, that's how many calories I should take in a day to stay exactly the same. Remember, what goes in must equal what comes out to stay the same. If we put too much in and we don't burn enough, then we're going to gain weight. So, if we want to lose weight, all we have to do, once we multiply this number times the constant, times how active we are, we'll come up with a number, say here. If we want to lose, I would suggest subtracting 500 calories. That would be 500 calories a day, because 500 times 7 days a week, that's 3,500, which is roughly 1 pound in a week. Now, depends on your situation. I know everybody's different, and like I said, again, this is just a starting point. Everybody's different. Everybody absorbs food differently, so this is just a starting point. Multiply 500 by 7, that's 3,500. So we would be in a 500 calorie deficit. We'd want to be to lose 1 pound a week. You can lose up to 2 pounds safely. Every book I've read, 2 pounds is safe. Anything more than that, I would be under a licensed dietitian or be under the care of a doctor. But everything I've read, up to 2 pounds is safe. So there's the guy's formula. Stay tuned next time, and I'll cover some workout techniques and maybe a diet plan. Thanks.